Hello children, good morning. This is your social study class and today we are going to do map work from chapter agriculture. Okay, open your map book, page number 31. Page number 31, then page number 33 and then page number 35. 3 pages we have to cover today. Map work. Okay, so please open your map book. There we have to do. Already I have given you one word question answer, very short, that is very short type of question answer on 21st August. On 21st August it is given. Please go through that. Okay, and start doing map work. On page number 31, food crops are given. On food crops you have to do the map work. Question number 1 is, name any two popular state for these crops. Okay, any two states for each you have to show in the map. Map is already given here. So students, one thing I want to tell you, in exam you can use maps that is given behind the textbook. That is some maps are given behind the textbook. That map you can use for exam. In exam, map pointing will be there. You have to locate it. This is also asked. Some drawings will be asked and map pointing also. Drawing I will give you. Okay, some important drawings from each chapter we will discuss later on. So today you start from page number 31. You have to locate two states for each crop. Okay, food crop. This map pointing is for food crops. Rice and wheat is given. For rice you will show West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. What you will show? West Bengal and Tamil Nadu for rice. Okay, you will locate these states for rice, and you will write West Bengal, the state where you will mark the place. You will write West Bengal, and the place where you will mark Tamil Nadu, there you will write Tamil Nadu. Okay, and also give the reference. Reference is important. And next is wheat. For wheat, which states you will going to show? First is wheat bowl of India, that is wheat bowl, or you can say food bowl of India, Punjab, and then Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh you will also show for wheat. Punjab and Uttar Pradesh for wheat. Okay, that you will show. You know the locations of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. If you don't know, go through that. See the political India. I taught you very these things, the political India. I think teacher have taught you in class 3 also, in class 4 also. In first unit, for the first unit test, we have gone through political India, states and its capital. So I want to remind you these things that you have gone through. If you'll say that no, you are not, you don't know about the location of the states, uh, that I will not excuse for that. Okay, you have to know, because in the first unit test you have gone through, and that means for rice you are showing West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, and for wheat you are showing Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. And next is question number 2. Which state is known as football of India? Punjab and Haryana. You can write Punjab only. If you write Punjab or Punjab and Haryana, both you can write. Okay, Punjab and Haryana are considered as football of India. Or you can write Punjab. Punjab is considered as football of India. And next question number 3 is, which state is known as the Garden of Spices? Which state? Kerala. Kerala is known as the Garden of Spices. So you will show Kerala for question number 3. Though it is not written here to locate, if it is asked in exam to locate the spices of Garden of Spices, the state is known as the Garden of Spices. If it is asked in exam, then which state you are going to locate? Yes, it is Kerala. Next, page number 33. Open page number, turn page number 33. On page number 33, fiber crops are given. Fiber crops. Question number 1. Name any 2 fiber crops. Very simple. It is cotton and jute. Fiber crops are cotton and jute. You will write there, cotton and jute. Question number 2. Name the states where these crops are grown most. That you will show only two each. Two states for each. Okay? 2 states for each. And the answer, write down the answer for the first is cotton and jute. Okay, name the states where these crops are grown most. For cotton, and you have to show this also. You have to show question number 2. You have to locate it on the map. So for question number 2, 1 is cotton. You locate on the states where these crops are grown most. 2 states you have to show. For cotton, you will show Gujarat and Maharashtra. Gujarat and Maharashtra. Give the reference or key. Reference or key is same thing. Okay. You will show on the right hand side of the map in the box. So you will write fiber crops, one symbol for the cotton, and give the symbol for the cotton in the Gujarat, state of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Only this. And for the jute, you will locate the states, that is West Bengal and Bihar. Or you can show Assam also. Okay, any 2. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam these are the states for where jute is grown. Okay, but you will show only two. What are the uses of cotton and jute? Question number 3. See, on the side of the book page I have written the side of the, because there is no space to write. You will also write here. Question number 3 is, what are the uses of cotton and jute? The uses of cotton are cotton fiber, gauze bandage, and cotton swabs. Cotton fiber, further clothes are made. Then gauze bandage, cotton swab, these are used in medical, these are used in hospitals. The uses of jute: jute fiber, sacks, that is also called gunny bags, rope, etc. Okay, these are the uses of cotton and jute. Now you turn to page number 35. Students, turn to page number 35. You can see that is the topic. The topic is cash crops. Topic is cash crops. Number 1. What are cash crops? Why do we call them as cash crops? What are cash? This all thing you have read in. It is given in textbook also. Cash crops are agricultural crops cultivated to be sold in order to make profit. Do you understand? Cash crops are agricultural crops cultivated to be sold in order to make profit. This is cash crop. Cash crops are demanded in return of cash money, so we call them as cash crop. Okay, the question is, why do we call them as cash crops? Okay. Cash crops are demanded in return of cash money, so we call them as cash crops. So name any two cash crops. Cotton, indigo, jute, all these are cash crops. Only two you have to write. So cotton and indigo I have written here. On the outline map of India, show the following. Any two states for each. States where groundnut grown. Okay, and states where sugar is grown. It is given on page number 34. Observe follow this and show in only two states. Only two states you have to show. For states where groundnut grown, two states. States where sugar cane is grown, two states you have to show. And next is, do you know sugar bowl of India? That is Uttar Pradesh. That you will show for Uttar Pradesh. And groundnut grown in the black soil. That means the region of black soil, you will from there Maharashtra. That you have to show. Next is, what are the uses of sugarcane? Okay, you have to write this. What are the uses of sugarcane? Sugarcane are used for making sugar, jaggery. Jaggery means good. From its juice. Juice is used to make sugar and jaggery. Bagasse is used as fuel. Used as fuel. Bagasse is used as fuel. Production of paper also. So these are the uses of sugarcane. Okay. So up to page number 35. That means we have done 3 types of map work: cash crops, fiber crops and food crops. So you will complete all this, and when I will tell you to show all this, then you have to present it. Okay, so this is what for today, students. Complete your work. Today's work you have to complete today only. Okay, so the class ends here. Good day.